Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Anastasia. Welcome everybody. You often ask me, how do I store, where do you store all of your balloons? So well, today is the day and I'm gonna show you how I do it. I will explain everything. We will organize all of my balloons today in this video because it's long overdue. I needed to do this for a while and I'm excited to finally organize and have everything in place in order. So without any further ado, let's go. And this is the spot where I keep all of my balloons. If you're not familiar with my filming room, this is a huge window that I have right across the wall where I film all of my setups, and this is the door. So you walk in and you immediately see this shelf. This is not the perfect way, ideal way for me to store balloons. I would love to do something different, but we have to work with the space that we have. So I really want to get rid of the stuff over here, maybe leave one row for miscellaneous things like my box with X-Acto knife and rulers and all that stuff. And also I want to add one more row of cubes right here to have extra space to store balloons or any other stuff that I need to store. So let me remove all of this and we'll start on the process of organizing balloons. Alright, so first things first, I want to clear the top, and I'm using my chair that I usually stage all of my setups because my step ladder got lost somewhere. I think we were setting up our green wall setup and we left our step ladder there and I don't have it no more. Either I need to go back to the venue to pick it up to see if it's there, or I need to purchase a new one. So using a chair, let's clear all of this up. Oh man. You guys, there's more balloons over here. Oh wow. Okay, you know what? I was planning. No. Okay, I found missing balloons. I thought I completely used these balloons up. I have a balloon setup that I am still owning to a client. Client canceled, and we came to conclusion that whenever she needs a setup, she would let me know and I will create something out of the colors that she picked and I already purchased. So I'm keeping her balloons at my place and yeah, well, I just found the balloons. That's great. I am all ready to start constructing another row of shelves. This shelf came from Amazon, so are these boxes that I am storing balloons in. I will link them in the description under the video. Everything that you need to construct the shelf comes in the kit. Instructions are coming as well, so I'm not really gonna show you like a tutorial of how to assemble the shelves. Just let's build an extra shelf of storage. Only took me forever to build my first square. It's a lot easier if you build the shelf on the ground instead of standing up. It goes a lot quicker on the ground, trust me.
What is happening? I was gonna say, do you need a hammer?
No. I have it.
Okay.
And just like that, I am short of one square panel or square grid that I need to put at the bottom. I don't think I want to purchase any more shelving. Maybe I will. Maybe that's going to be a good idea to put more shelving on the opposite wall instead of my plastic drawers. That's a good idea, but for now I'm gonna leave this as is. And also I am short of these boxes right here. I'm gonna order right now. Hopefully they're gonna come in a day or two, and I'm gonna finish organizing all the balloons. So let's order in hopes that are gonna come in very soon. First, let's start with my foil balloons. You guys, these butterflies, I had such a bad experience with them. Oh boy, if you want to see what I did with these butterflies, I will link a video in the description under this video. This is not the ideal way to store foil balloons. I like for foil balloons to be neatly folded or laying flat, because you don't want any creases, even though creases will go away when you inflate. Still, I like my foil balloons to be as neatly folded as possible. So let's dig in and fold everything nicely and reorganize everything. When organizing my foil and orbs balloons, I try to keep the same balloons together. If it's orbs, I will keep them with orbs. If they're foils, like hearts with hearts, stars with stars, moons with moons, and so on and so on. I also didn't mix all the colors together. I tried to keep the same color balloons with the same colored balloons. It turned out very nice and organized. Alrighty guys, so nice and organized. So I took 2 boxes and split them. One box has all of my orbs balloons in different sizes, and the other box has all the specialties, bubble balloons, star, hearts, any printed, foil balloons, anything like that. First, I want to reorganize my Qualitix balloons. I have 2 boxes right here. There's a third one, and it was another box somewhere. We'll find it. No, it's not 2 boxes, 3 boxes, or 4 boxes. It's a lot more than I thought. I have 3 drawers with Qualitix balloons from my plastic shelves. Then I have about 5 boxes with Qualitix, and if you look, I don't know how the frame catches my shelving, but my Qualitix was all over the place. Here, 3 down there, and in the drawers on the opposite wall. So let's fix this. So this box over here is filled with 11 and 5-inch Qualitix white balloons. There was time when I was hired a lot for a white balloon installs. I got a whole bunch of white balloons, and it was shortage of white balloons. And now look at this. I am sitting on a whole bunch of white balloons, and no one wants white no more. So I would probably have to wait for another white wave to use these balloons. This is why I don't like to stock up on any other colors, because I've made a mistake like that before. There was a huge demand for eucalyptus colored balloons, eucalyptus color installations. I got a whole bunch of eucalyptus, and till this day I don't think I even used those extra balloons that I bought just in case for anybody. So I like to tell my clients, give me some time. If you want to book me a month in advance, minimum 3 weeks, so I can search for the balloons and get the balloons for their event. Yes, there's a possibility that you can last second go and try to purchase balloons and you won't find any, but it's a huge risk, I would say, to purchase a whole bunch of balloons in colors and just keep them. I don't know, it's just me. Okay, this box I'm not gonna organize. It's pretty organized. I have all of my printed balloons there, all of my clear balloons. Anything that is printed or clear is here, and I like this box. Now this is gonna be a little bit hard to do because I have 3 drawers of Qualitix balloons, literally like a little bit of each color. So I don't know. You know what, you guys, if there's not a lot of balloons in a bag and I haven't used them in a while, I am going to donate these balloons to a good cause, so let them go to a good use because I don't need them. As I took these extension cords away from my shelf, I'm gonna put them in this plastic bin shelf and I'm gonna keep them all in there. Okay, this is the box where I have all of my chrome balloons. It's from every brand of balloons like Ellie's, Vitalitex, Qualitix, from anywhere. Gold, silver, anything chrome is here. Okay, I know I told you that I don't stock up on colors, but I did on gold. And I am so happy that I did on gold because right now gold is impossible to find, chrome gold. These are literally from Amazon. I bought them ages and ages ago when I was just starting to work with balloons, and they're still here. I don't know if I'll use them because I don't know. I don't know what to do with them. And just recently I managed to find a whole bunch of 5-inch Sempertex reflex gold, so basically chrome gold balloons. So I got a few of those just to, just to have them, just to be prepared, because I do have a few setups that will include chrome gold, and I know I will take some chrome gold from here, from my stash, to use it. So I want to stock up a little bit on gold. Okay, next is Calasan balloons. I don't have a lot of Calasan balloons, but they need to be organized. This was the easiest 2 boxes to organize. Love it. To the Tuftics. And this, my friends, will be a nightmare to organize. I have a lot of Tuftics. Colors are scattered everywhere. I want to keep at least, like similar or same colors together in one box. So, oh my word, I am not looking forward to these 6 boxes. A little bit more to go. These 6 and 2 more with Gemar. So, almost there. We're almost there. Who doesn't want to do it? I don't want to do it. I am still waiting for the boxes to come in. They should arrive any second, any minute, any hour, I don't know, but they're supposed to arrive today. While I'm waiting for the boxes, I'll put all of my balloons that I bought for clients, for their setups, in empty spots in my shelf. And this is how my shelf looks. It looks pretty organized, nice and neat. Absolutely love the empty squares. Trust me, I will fill those squares super fast. This one's empty. I'm gonna add another box to divide my mirror shiny chrome balloons so they would not be so squished. In these two boxes I have foils and specialty balloons, orbs balloons, anything like that. Then I have Calasan, Gemmar, Vitalitex and Sempertex, Tuftix, Qualitix, and other things that I need for balloons. On top I will put more boxes, and in those boxes I will put all of those things like letters, maybe my fake cake and things like that. We'll see. I might make some changes, we'll see, because Qualitix is pretty high up there and I have to like reach for it, and Qualitix is one of the mostly used balloons for me. So we'll see, maybe I'll move them down, I'll move something up. We'll figure this out as we go. Alrighty guys, I hope this video was helpful, and this is how I do it. I also emptied a few bags of balloons. I just combined same colors, same sizes together with other bags of balloons that were opened, and it saved me so much space. Also, all the balloons that are laying over here, you see like there's like a little bit of one color and I don't have any other sizes of those balloons. I will empty those as well. I'll put them in bags and I will donate them to a good cause. So another look at my shelf. I actually had a set of boxes sitting and waiting on me, and still I need more boxes. So those boxes that I ordered will be just handy because I need to fill this hole, and I like it so much better. I also put a whole bunch of letters, light up letters in this box, and I'm gonna put 2 more boxes for extra storage there. This is it, you guys. This is what I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful and I inspired you to reorganize all of your balloons. If I did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. They help more than you think. If you have any additional questions, leave them in the comment section below. I will try my best to help you out to the best of my abilities. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button down below for more videos and more inspiration. And I hope all of you will have a wonderful day, and I will see you back very soon. Bye!